Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X5 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. And to get started, let's open up the content that you wish to capture. And as an example, I'm going to use settings. Once it's open, what you want to do is hold power key, volume down, both of them at the same time, and there we go. That's basically how you capture a screenshot. You have a couple options that will appear briefly and then disappear after a moment. There we go. Which all of these options can also be accessed when you view the image in your gallery. Let me just see. How do I? There we go. Photos. And as you can see, there is the screenshot that I have captured. And again, there are the options that were previously visible. So that is how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.